today we're going to start with the foundation of the mat and little by little improving or increasing the level of this exercise. Standing tall, look straight ahead and just feel muscles in your body like create the counter with the gravity. You are sitting, bend your knees, put your hands behind your thigh, and with control, lie down, all the way down. You lift from the powerhouse, just this is one. And see you next class for more. I am Mariano, and thank you for joining me here in Pilatesology.